Hello and welcome. CQ Beratung+Bildung presents our online course series PyMOL, Further Education in Three-Dimensional Visualization of Proteins. The program consists of two independent modules that can be booked separately or combined for a complete PyMOL learning experience. My name is Christoph and I'm your instructor for both modules. In Module 1, PyMOL Basics, Introduction to Molecular Visualization, will explore PyMOL step by step, from your first visualizations to targeted selections and your own publication, ready representations. This self-study course with live Q&A sessions is designed for beginners and focuses on active, practical learning, not just reading materials. Here's how the course is structured. Illustrated lessons, clear visual explanations so you can follow each step with confidence. Video tutorials, short, hands-on sessions you can watch and repeat anytime. Interactive exercises, helping you apply commands and workflows directly in PyMOL. By the end, you'll be able to navigate PyMOL confidently and create professional molecular images. And if you'd like to go further, Module 2, PyMOL Professional, offers advanced training in mutation analysis and structure interpretation. I look forward to learning with you. Let's get started.